Bwimilili b'itimu ya FC Leopards yamanyakha ingwe babele mulitukhu lya Mombasa khuhenza khumukhobo shichilanga ingwe nibulaa khukhola buleyi khuli yakholanga mika chali chakhale. Itimu ya FC yaranga iligi buleyi nikhali yatukha habundu niranga khukurwa nimala mu buyangu bukhane mu musimu kubwere. FC Leopards ili nende mashabiki mushibala sha Kenya nende irwanyi yakurwa mu finals tsa Betway khuberera mu penalty. Nishina shinyala khuba shichilanga itimu ya FC nibulaa khukhola buleyi.
Eshindu shisumbula FC kabisa esaino ni FC ebula mangondo kake Kenya la khurera babaya balai Kenya la khurunga obligation chichi FC kutegemeanga, for example kutegemeanga sponsor, kutegemeanga maybe well wishers na asaindi well wishers abo nende sponsor abo sibechanga through bakwesa amangondo Kenya kana khurana FC
khulesa ino ni nyala khubola bwamba ni chibuleyo buleita bandu manye muluya team ya FC Leopards ni heritage yeru ni muluya most of the time akhoba muluya wa sheri vita lakini na khasai mbo nyasaya khonye at least mundu nali kiongozi khumunge mukhono akhole ikasi amale itamu ye khuchakule undi lakini buongozi bukhachira khukalusite itimu nyuma tawe alafu bali buongozi bakhadharawa abandi bali members nende fans tawe kachira fans hao nabo khukona batanga khuba members abo nabo benye timu sasa buongozi bali khubongozi ne bachaka khudharawa bandu bali hasi nawe disconnect chakiranga
sindu sya kwanza huinyanga busabulai huchaka season bulai like a season ino kwachaka busabulai the first 5 games khwanyola busabulai mala khwa hila chitimu chinga limala chimbofu khwecha khwaba khu league on top but nono si hunanianga FC Leopards hulinende nisyo balanga bali ignorance mala hulinende politics chinga liche kumpira chihecha cha yeta bulaita normally ne huendelea buleyi hunyolanga huli bandu bamange nje ini bachaka hukoroga either balhobenya namwe bakoroga technical bench namwe becha bakoroga neck the head baho spear heading hu team chana
isaino ababayi bahuli nabo shibalishinga abahwali nabo nukuchaka okumanya FC tawe babayi kama bakina cheche masika akina mulamba bakina murila abona abandu babayira itimu nende lihoyo nende okwihoya nomoyo kwabo lakini babayi besaino balenganga sana upande bwokurungwa ho endola ishindu shilangwa passion nombe shehoero she itimu shonone bwanende fikra yo kubola mbu lasima balipe khekole lakini so bandu sibakholanga khulokhwiruma
no mesende no management indai it is very difficult for you to win the league so shida ikhubera naye hongo we've had a lot of wrangles in management okay khuchaguanga bandu sometimes hasina bandu bari focused number 2 ni khwama lo chagua bandu sende ni chuma then it becomes a lot of, very difficult khubera nebidinyu muno okhurana FC nebidi muno khurana FC from your pockets
etabu ingali yefu ya members ba AFC nao abalondera AFC nao timu yefu ya AFC irimbo FA members si khusupporta nge timu yefu no ulala tawe khwa ukhanamo khwenya khusupport abanju bajula eside chefu esenindi wa Kakamega County nenyambo na Kakamega County nao nindi wa Bungoma mbono wa Bungoma lakini khu season iwe ino sinyala mbole njie nenje yali tapu yefeta etimu ya njolai na uli munju kaiunga kaba behind the team to support it but omushara kwa bahupi olukwanjo ho khaykhana then etapu chanyoleha morali ya bahupi ya khasi ne njolo khwanja okhukosia emipira ne njolo ili khwakhaywe league nikhola halfway point ya league khwali number 1 but now eshida je mishahara nende bindu byengiramo byakira khwaloba khunyola obushindi season ino tawe.
Butulani hakari ho Bwimilili w'itimu ya FC bulorekhanga khandi khuba khuminyakhano cha FC ebiriramu. Halikali kario ingwe ilaranga musimu ko 2021-2022 buchira babayi baya shichira bali nende tsikesi khumukanda kusinjirire makhoba kumupira muliloba po FIFA.
FIFA kubenizi cases kuri zinendi zya FIFA. Yokutanga ni former coach Kasambungo, zimilioni zibagani nusu. Undi ni players Soter, sendi 800,000. Kubenundi arangwa Soter 500 Trezo 500,000 na Habo Mahoro 700,000.
Wali nende mipango shino nambola baronje makobe kabale nako.
The issue kame club iri amapesa. Nikabambo members befwe, fans befwe, nikhulengera census etimu yefwe ino ya Western originally. Nikhuchameta kwa abanju bandi tawe. If abanju ba Western khuli bangi sana, we are the second in number in Kenya as per the census. Nikabambo khunyala khwanyola uli engo. The father and the mother to be members of the club or fans of the club, vaju juzire siringi 100, that will be good enough for us to operate this community club efficiently and win league after league. So eshida yefengalinje amapesa, sponsors khutaha lakini amapesa akabachueresa kasiro kholata alafu pandemic ire khulimo ino ya corona yosi ya affecta mashabiki sibachanga musikurita khanu esende chikhwakhanyoye okhutula khu get collection chiumao tawe. So our sponsorship and means of getting money has been reduced. So if we are able to find a solution for finances, I'm very sure that we capable of having a very good team that can win us the league, since we have a very able technical bench and a very good backbone of the team that is currently there.
Kubenizi program zia kwenya ku launch zirakonya FC Leopards kumangana gezi sendi. So kubena program kuri merchandise na kube very happy because BetSafe warakuwa zimilioni 5 kuzi kureta merchandise ye club na BetSafe warabugura 75% of the merchandise na FC Leopards irabugura 25% of the merchandise. So kwenye kugurizizi merchandise zenezio kijira kwenye kunyorezi kusendi kidogo ya na hare. Program indi ya kuvenayo ni program ya loto. So kwenye kukore loto ya ingwe na the main theme of the loto kubora ni tujenge study. So kwenye abakini wa loto kurakina loto kuranyora sendi na in the same breath club iranyora sendi. Kandi kwenye kukore mangana ga fundraising. So kumuromana wandu business leaders yaha na hare wakokonye kijira kwenye kukore harambe.
Nimipango shinacho Bwimilili w'itimu ya FC nacho khu itimu ekhole buleyi makhande erole mu makhoba kamakobi.
Shindu sha khunyala khola khube ebo khulera perform buleyi bindu byosi umanya habondu wosi habandu bale shimunyala khukosa khukwesana kitawe lakini khubolanga kholo khukwesana kenya khanga khukwesana kholo khukhonya itimu yeru ya FC Leopards khu nunyola shincha khwenya khubola ni nola it's a department to FC Leopards khurla khuba kali bitimu bakali bitimu ba khuranga khu chairman nuitsa khu technical bench nuitsa khu babayi nuitsa khu members bosi kenya khanga shindu shosi sha khubolanga shiba shindu shinyala khulera timu iro halala khari khuri khuwasana khuri khutofauti na mawani keru kenya khanga khube bandu khunyala khole kasi halala khunyole matokeo malayi nekhubola shinye khubola bo bandu bakosananga tawe abundu hosi abandu bale bandu manya bakoruzanakho kidogo kisha mbola mboni kenyakhanga khube bandu bakhunyala khulera mawazo kerukosi halala kali malayi kali mape kenyakhanga khulishitwi khumanye bo kosi kakhubolanga nemakhuba kukhulwela bulala nenda khuera itimu yeru emberi
ukhuba kiongozi shibuli bryce tawe kiongozi udilanga nde wanadamu nenololo mundu nameka mistake nomba nakhola likoso kenyakha otsio mbira naba shikanda chairman naba Oliver Skuku secretary naba Morris Chichi treasurer kenya otsio mbira anona ndano okholabi okhurera politics nomba siasa khu group tsa WhatsApp khu tsa Facebook mitandao noba nyeka noba dhalisha loba nyeka ngorio sponsor ni akhenyere nombo muni akhenyere khonye club akalokhanga inyuma abola kata neba wesi ampesa kanje ne fani fulana aborembo kala yarumekha munjira ndaitawe ariana akalokha inyuma omundu yenya a investe wanya lokhunyola isifa
lakini fushinga amashabiki this time round khulatsi khubabira mbu tawe mara nende siasa AFC Leopards sheri shilabu siasa tawe AFC is a sporting club. Honda kaya komba mbu abantu bose babezanga nde siasa mushiri labu shi AFC Leopards. Bala kanende shilabu. Rimeta khuo umundu wose uchakulwe nende members ave omwimirisi nomba leader usinyire club shino. Aisubu yangu bubwe akhole amakoka abale benyanga. Na amakoka abale benyanga ni shina abayiban babayo buleyi bayombe. Rimeta khuo sponsor khonda sponsor bandi bengiranga barula and that's why no longer mbuza itimu yolokholo khobulayi khandi kholo bi isenekha kombo amashabiki kosi barambu itimu ma sponsor tawe khwitsalala khobeshilisala khuchanga mapesa khonya babayibana
kube nende good structures and good plan yani kubange mangana getu burahi mangana gi budget mangana gi zisendi kuri kunyora sponsors sendi zingire mu club kunyara kuba nendu dabe yani sana kandi kutategemea sana sponsors dabe kuri members kuibanji burahe kubore budi branch nya kukonya kendo fulani ituzi kendo fulani no kube nende long term project nya ku generate sendi moko tulizi kukabe good players kunya kuba ni shida mu running of the branch dabe accountability trust moko bene the good leaders kindicho kinakonya sana club yetu ya FC Leopard.
The biggest sponsor wa FC Leopard ni fan na kegombi sana fans we pick up this role with vigor with energy we accept that sisi ndio the biggest sponsor wa team na tu sponsor to the latest hiyo 100 hiyo 50 hiyo 1000 hiyo 100,000 hizo millions zitaweza saidia sana team being that this is our heritage. I think that is one of the things zile ningependa sana tuweze kufanya in terms of management na kegombi management ya kilabu specifically na the roles zia administration ziwe well stipulated so that we don't have interference of roles and duplication of roles. Everybody should just play their part to the success of FC Leopards.
Khuche imbeli nomba khuchichila imbeli khuteme khaba sana ama local coaches abanyala khonye team yefwe abanyala khuelewa sikira basungu bano nga khuchonyola khuola khota abantu makhubula mangondo nonyola musungu anyala khulekha anytime khandi lwa anytime nonyola wakhuira mu FIFA nonyola nga kila khuponga chifaini chinyinji monyole club bula mbesa lakini khuchangana na the extra cost ya khwakharachie mota.
To avoid this one going forward, one, khujaripe all our ways as a club to live within our means. Eye ya khanyale khande nikabambo efe kama fans nende mashabik we shall not put demands to win leagues and titles immediately. Eskira nikabambo khulave khumenyire within our means yenya khambo we start recruiting young players Young players, their demands are not as big as the experienced players, but also the results on the pitch will not be as good as the experienced players. So kwenyeha kube tayari mbone kuja with the young players, then matokeo itakuja pola pole. Lakini kwenyire immediate results, we should be prepared to spend.
Shin shukran kshando la manye FC nyala khola e khabe babayi bamanyande FC ne brand. Babayi bale nende passion. Babayi bale tayari kutetea e badge FC yana e logo FC chira. FC ni ya khome gagale bamanyatsa bana batsa go baya mbira akala khurula go tsa khulla mbira ko le professional. Go ni signing tse khola khanke nyatse be wazi sana khole no signa mundu manyende musaina murina na betsa na jaza contract yayo. Chira onyela khonyola mundu jazi contract ya khamale contract nayo akhande mwene yifute kasi no mwene resign akhandi ka khaba mara khokabere ka baka munyola abagiri mokoti go nyana khayanzi management FC henze sana sana khotse contract tsa babayi go manye shine shimonda betsa na signa amanya bolare lo atsitsanga Kenya atsi under which conditions Kenya tsa ruli ni malako ka FIFA in line with the contracts pitsiananga bendi benena bya nyala khwenya sana management bene henza go
winning allowances Kenya neck ibe realistic bala tsog promise players amapesa ka winning allowances ki ba manyire shibanyalo khusia tawe ba promise players winning allowances zibanyalo khu afforda. Number 5, ba negotiate mishara number signing fee, ba negotiate emishara zibanyalo khulipa players.
Mashabiki kumpira mu Kenya nende mu bibala birwanyi shikali nende uyango bukhola mpira mu bikuri tawe shichira ihoma ihongo ya corona. Bwimilili nende mashabiki kali nende lisoberande serikali ilabala khula balole mbiro khonambula tsitimu tsinyole mapesa. Ni toto lazima itimu ibe nende mkocha musungu nomba babayi khurula irwanyi khu itimu ikure iligi.
Mimi nakwambia urongo bro. Wacha nikombele kimtaa sasa ile kimombasani. I believe on DNA players. I mean DNA players, that means huyu ni kuku kienyeji. Umenielewa bro? I can take somebody from Budalangi constituency, I can take somebody from Mombasa, Kisauni, Bamburi, na yeye mwenye akikuja hapa apige mpira zaidi. Mpira ni ule ule. Mpira ni ule ule. Ni vile ambavyo wewe mwenyewe utauchukulia. Mimi siamini kuwa na ndugu zetu kutoka ugaibuni wako na experience mzuri, na kwa sasa naweza sema namshukuru sana our coach Osamze, na ametuambia leo kwamba tumekuwa na yeye kwa mkutano, ametuambia kabisa angependa tupate vijana kutoka hapa kwetu. Na once tukipata vijana kutoka hapa kwetu, hata hii Kenya team ambayo tunaona national team Harambee Stars, hatutahitaji mtu kutoka nje aje acheze mpira hapa.
I don't believe in foreign players and foreign coaches as per se, but I do believe in expatriates. Never kobena player another kutura ichova marete that expatriates into the team. I build confidence around other players. I build the winning mentality within the team. I want to assure you, FC Leopards is a professional football club. Now it needs professionals. If we can't get them locally, if we get them internationally, it's also.
Ese opinion yange selimbaka hubenende foreign coach na mwe foreign players ta. Hubelata mkenya nano hulende very good talent. Hulende baba anabanyala benya kumpira buleyi sana. Lakini nono mentality ni hora humurwe huli mbaka hubenende foreign coach, hubenende foreign players, which is very wrong. Hubela etim ngataska ya win le league. Malanga ya win league siwalinende foreign players bakalita. Coach wa wesa ali foreign ata. Coach wa mkenya wasa. Nono bora kwa nende coach umlai. Coach uelewa babana baliho benyane naye coach welewanisyo team yenya male team yose nende fans na mwe members bamu time huhole kasi yewe then hula perform absavulai lakini hwaba nende coach yata ya habo msungu malakecha mutimu yefwenga FC no mala hwacha ka hu interfere nende coach yuno still sala hole kasi nga Kenya hanata so hwenya hana huelesie coach huelesie walhovenya e time yabo
ni yabo benyanga go joina itimu ya FC Kenya hanga bamanyeshina nomba Kenya bakholeshina
okujoina FC first wenya hobe wamwene ni wasimo mpira nulu muvai wasimo mpira nulu muvai omulai njesi njusi ya kwanza area khabiri sai focus yefe iri khu young players khanu nuli kama Western na nuli Nairobi we have teachers who are in those areas abalengeranga players never recommend players to the technical bench khanu wherever you are whenever you go to participate in any game give your level best esikira sumanyire who is watching you tawe khanuni bakhalengera they make recommendations and the players are invited to come for the technical bench now for the senior team to have a look at them niba khabaona they will recommend whether they will fit in the senior team now khubanjire mu junior team if you are younger than 20 years so if you are older than 20 years then we shall just let you go but if you don't fit in the senior team and you are younger than 20 years the technical bench recommends that wanjire mu junior team so that you get used to the style of AFC Leopards then you will be upgraded later on to the senior team
shirikale ni mashabiki stakeholders bose bitimu ya FC holindirira musimu kwitsanga balole niba mukhuungano ku Bwimilili ba FC nende bitsibrach babiritse kalakalushitsa itimu ya FC ikulu mmakhoba kumbiro Khulondekhana nende buloli buliho itimu ya FC ilakhola tsabule niba ilaba nende mapesa akhande nende Bwimilili bumanyishi bwenyanga mmakhoba kumbiro
abemerisi ba FC Leopards okhwanjira hu national executive office branch leadership members babele abandu barinde passion yohuda ha progress hutaba abandu bafocus too much on negative side where there's negativity there's a lot of failure positive thinking positive criticism is the only thing enyalo tusukuma wacha ihudaha so my parting shot is we can do it there's hope hurina abana abanyalo husingise timu ino hurinde abana abanyalo bayaba bukule sikombe so abandu badongesa positive supportive transparent open and avoid negativity
nindi potiranga imeseme bayo khubulala TV nenzi Jesse Tetei
ingwe